If you've been jumping from one strategy to another, watching countless videos, and you're still not consistent in your trading, hear me out. I've been there and I know exactly how it feels like. My name's AJ. Welcome to Alpha AJ Trading. I'm a full-time trader based in London. On this channel, I share how exactly I trade, what I've learned through years of backtesting, passing multiple prop firm challenges, and gaining real market experience. No fluff, no hype, just real structured trading. If that sounds good to you, let's hop onto the charts and I'll show you exactly how I trade. Hi guys, thanks for joining me onto the charts here. This is XAU USD. Let me quickly break down my strategy for you. So what I like to do is start off from the high time frame and then gradually work my way through to the lower time frames and then obviously enter my position on the lower time frames. So in this example, this is the daily time frame. We can see price is clearly very bullish, broke past this previous all-time high. Let's just go down to the 4-hour. As you can see, price also broke this previous high on the 4-hour. Let me mark that. There we go. So what it just did is react from this level, but I don't think so if it gave any confirmation to enter. Yeah, there we go. It just tapped in and then straight away rallied to the previous high. Okay. Another thing, it broke past the previous 1-hour high, break of structure there. So what I like to do is within this leg of this trend, mark key levels or key levels of liquidity where price may want to gravitate, liquidate it, and if you get a valid confirmation, only then I'm interested to buy. Okay, let's just continue the price. This being the Asian session. Okay, we go on to the 15 minutes. Okay, let me quickly mark the levels for you guys. This being the New York low, and then the London low. Obviously, if price breaks below this, I don't want to just blindly enter a buy order. I want to wait for a confirmation. Only then I'm interested to buy. Okay, Asian session came down. Another thing I completely forgot is there's this 15-minute demand zone right here, which price will just tap in, I guess. Yep, it does. Yep, fantastic. So what happened here is price mitigated, but it also swept this 15-minute demand. And I can just get rid of this now. It also swept this New York low. So if you get a confirmation right here on the lower time frame, the 5-minute or the 3-minute, 3-minute being the case here because there's a clear price action going on. There's a clear lower high here. If price does break past this, there's a change of character first, and if you get valid entry, only then I enter. So let's see if price breaks above this. There we go. Change your character right there. And then, oh yeah, on the 5 minutes, clearly have this demand. Okay, and in terms of stop loss, I'm just going to put it just below this 5-minute demand and not all the way down to this 5-minute London low, as there's no point, because if price does come down all the way here, there's like, from my back testing and statistics, I know for a fact that 90% of the time it will go below this. So I'll just keep it below this demand. And for targets, we can either target our Asian high right here, or we can target the New York high. So what I'm going to do is monitor the trade once we get tagged in, and if price shows rejection here, I'll close all my position. So what I like to do is take some partials if price taps into this level, and if it shows rejection, I'll close all my position. If not, let it run all the way to this high, and I'm happy to hold. Again, only if we get tapped in. There we go. We're tagging. Okay, we're seeing a pullback. Another thing I would like to share with you guys about gold specifically is that once it does tap, once gold taps into specific demand or supply, it usually likes to come back again and tap back, continue higher. Let's see if it wants to continue higher here. Okay, there we go. Over here, I will just close 25% of my position just to secure a tiny bit of partials. And yeah, quickly, that was a very clean trade. It hits our take profit in a span of, I guess, 4 hours, 30 minutes. So yeah, pretty clear and simple trade, a very simple strategy, just following the trend and looking for liquid for price to take our liquidity, and then waiting for confirmation and quickly jumping on the trades for buyers or sells. Yeah, if you like this video, drop me a like and make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting more of this content, more about my strategy, how I managed to use this strategy to pass multiple prop firm challenges in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.